Hello, my name is Andrew Maramag, and today we're going to discuss the differences between Joint Commission on Accreditation of Healthcare Organization and the Joint Commission International, how accreditation plays an important part in an organization, and its effect on the U.S. healthcare and global health. It is important for any organization to have a valid accreditation in order to gain trust and get loyalty and businesses from patients and customers. Below are benefits of accreditation to patients and healthcare organizations. Accreditation shows that those seeking healthcare are doing so in a facility that provides a high level of care. They also demonstrate that they are working hard to achieve significant benefits and positive outcomes. Also, accreditation provides training, support, and an outside perspective on how to improve the management of the organization for patient care and safety, as well as safety of those who work in accordance with established protocols. Organizations can also benefit from expertise of other accredited organizations in terms of best practices. They also assist an organization in attracting more businesses from patients in need of treatment. Finally, businesses seeking to do business with those who have received accreditation will benefit from higher standards set by a certification program. They're also, although somewhat similar, the JCAHO and the JCI use slightly different structures and terminology used in their standards. While both organizations, their standards by chapters, according to themes, the titles are different. For example, each standard is explained by the JCAHO uses the term rational, where the JCI calls it intent. Under each standard, specific requirements are called elements by the JCAHO, whereas the JCI uses measurable elements or MEs. Finally, the JCAHO provides the gold standard that is sought by U.S. healthcare facilities and providers, whereas the JCI provides the gold standard that is sought by international healthcare providers. Both entities have differences in their standards as well. The JCAHO standards are based on evaluating an organization and to provide the guidance needed to enhance function. They rely on information from many areas, including healthcare experts and customers of health services, to provide quantitative and qualitative measurable data to affect patient care and safety while setting or even surpassing the current criteria in place. On the other hand, the JCI standards are set in a manner as the JCAHO, with the difference being where the information is gathered. The JCA data is gathered from experts across different areas of accredited organization and health leaders from around the world. Next, the JCHO effects on U.S. health. The effects are patient identification, the quality of care, infection control, also the development of policy and procedures, the peace of mind for patients or patient satisfaction, and positive health outcomes, where health outcomes are always favorable. Last, we are going to talk about the JCI's effect on global health. The effects are a positive standard of care, the development of policies and procedures that are globally uniform across the world, and it also sets a high standard in academic medical centers for a standard of education that is consistent globally for everyone who are practicing medicine, and also goals and outcomes that are favorable for both the organization and patients. And these are the references that I use to answer all the questions. Again, we talk about the differences of the JHACO and the JCI, and also the effects of accreditation and the difference of all their standards and the effects in U.S. health and globally. Thank you.